on.
Yeah, so I must say I'm really surprised. It would seem like what the voting pattern that eventually occurred after arguments, discussions, presentations for over 7 hours ended up being what exactly would seem to have been the likely event that would have happened within the first 10 minutes of the process. Being that it would seem everybody came with a fixed mind, especially on the other side. Where we come from is to say that there were very serious legal defects in the motion. It was moved out of time. The format requiring details to be supplied at the time of the motion was not fileable. The allegations being that the issues were in the hands of the police and the ESCC, and we should have awaited their investigations before bringing the issue to the assembly. All those were ignored. But very pleasantly for us, we had also a very solid answer to the factual issues. The allegations of bribery, we had the real owners of the money saying that it is not true that that money was a bribery, indeed it was a bribery. We had evidence showing that indeed the trees that were said to have been the subject of part of the allegations to have belonged to His Excellency the Deputy Governor, and therefore his complaint to the police being unfounded. And much as we have demonstrated on facts that indeed the complaints had no basis on fact, that we had overwhelming evidence to answer the questions, and that the weight was on our side, showing that indeed there was no wrongdoing. Despite all that, it would seem like majority of the members of the assembly came with a fixed mind. It didn't matter what was said and what was done. Now, moving forward, we have this conviction that the Senate will give us better audience. We will approach the issue with an open mind, and that the ridiculousness of the charges will eventually come out. I would like to give my comments there. Thank all those people to the Deputy Governor and the conviction for themselves. Thank you.